Hi there, it's Mary from stampingmary.stampingup.net. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today's project is a little gift card holder, and I'm featuring the Happy Hedgehogs Bundle, which is in the Stampin' Up mini catalogue. This is our mini catalogue that runs alongside our annual catalogue, and it runs through to the end of June, or to June 2022. This Happy Hedgehogs Bundle is on page 64 of the catalogue. Super cute stamp set and features a punch. So I can never not help myself when it comes to a bundle that includes a punch. And the project we're going to make is this very cute little, very easy to make gift card holder. Gift card just goes in there, and I'm actually going to gift this one to someone with a coffee card, a prepaid coffee card in there. This has very cute images on here, beautiful little sentiments, and really easy to make, and it's a pretty little stamp set to use. So let me show you how I made this. So I'm using paper, actually that really pretty paper in the background you can see there. That's actually a free item during our celebration promotion, and it's the Sunshine and Rainbows 6x6 designer series paper. Very pretty paper, very, very bright and very colourful. So I'm using a piece of Bermuda Bay cardstock for the actual base, the actual gift card holder, and it measures 4 1/4 by 6 inches. I've got a small piece here for the banner, and then another piece. This is the Rainbow and Sunshine and Rainbow designer series paper, and I just cut that to fit here. It measures what does it measure? 2.5 by 3.5 for that one. And then I've gone ahead already and stamped the sentiment in Magenta Madness, polished pink for that one. Love all these colours in here, so pretty. Right, let's go ahead and make it. So I'm going to bring in my Simply Scored scoring tool, and on the short side of that Bermuda Bay, so as I said, this measures 4 1/4 by 6 inches. On the short side, we're going to measure it, on the short side we're going to score it 1/2 inch, right there. And then turn it around to that long side. Let's make sure I've got everything in the frame. On the long side we're going to score at 1 5/8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops. And then turn it around and do it again on the same. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there, that's all the scoring you have to do. I will put the dimensions in the description bar below. Let's burnish those. Okay, and then we're just going to cut away these 2 small ones here. And just wedge that in a little bit. One there too. And then simply folds over like that and up. And that's all there is to it. Can't get more simple, right? So let's put some tear and tape down here. Fold that over. Same down here, some tear and tape down here. Go, and there it is. How easy is that? If you were giving these as a few gifts, you could get these out in no time. Get these made in absolutely no time whatsoever. So I'm just going to put some Tombow on there, and then get my designer series paper on there. make sure it's straight. That's the beauty of having the Tombow. You get a little bit of wiggle room there. Alright, put that to one side to dry. Let's go ahead and stamp our little cute little hedgehog. Now I'm going to stamp it more, I've just got a scrap of the basic white cardstock, and I'm going to stamp him in crumb cake. Just want to make sure that I've got him on, yep, I've got him on straight. Now I'm going to stamp him more towards the top, because when he goes into the punch, I'm going to be bringing the paper in from here. So I want to be able to have him closer to the top of the paper. The beauty of this punch is that you can punch again, and then cut. You could cut a piece of crumb cake also for his little cute layer up there. But I'm just going, I'm not colouring him at all. I'm just doing straight stamping for this one. Let's just get him in here. Line it up. Oops, I might have cut that little piece of my paper a little bit small. Yep, I think in fact I did. Oh, I might be able to do it. I might need to get another piece of paper to redo that. Trying to get it absolutely, I think that's right. It's not great, but it's okay. I think you can see what I mean. You just need to, I just needed to have a little bit more paper there actually, but that's okay. We'll go with him. I've already gone ahead and cut out a piece of polished pink and another piece of basic white using the circles dies and the scallop circles dies. And on this one, I'm going to, with my Granny Apple Green classic ink, I'm going to put the little, use this little stamped image, that one right there, for the grass, so that he's sitting on some grass, or standing on some grass, or walking on some grass. However you want to. He's walking. Let's put that on there. Doesn't matter if we have a bit more. Just so there's a little bit of, just to balance it out really. And he goes on there, right there. Oh, he's pretty cute, right? A couple of dimensionals on the back. Polished pink. Of all the pinks we have in our collection, it's my favourite pink. It's my favourite pink. It's an in colour, so it won't stay forever, but oh, gee, I hope Stampin' Up keep it, because I love it. I know I'm not the only one, because it's really popular. Let's put them on there. Oh, it's a really easy gift card to make. Let's put our banner on here. If you still have the triple banner punch, it has retired, but you can use that as well. I have my triple banner punch still. I do use it quite a lot actually, but I just cut the flag there for this banner. Oops. Couple more dimensionals on there. Pop it on. It's quite a bright, whoops, yeah, that straight. It's a bright, lots of bright colours on this one, which is cool for gift giving, I reckon. If you're giving a gift card holder, something bright and cheerful to give people. Alright, I'm just going to ease that up just in there so it just has the little bit of the scallop circle there sitting over the top. And that's all there is to it. Very easy to make, very cute, very colourful, using the Happy Hedgehogs stamp set and the coordinating punch, the Hedgehog Builder Punch. I have put a link in the description bar below for the dimensions I used and also the products. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to contact me, stampingmary@gmail.com. Thank you. Bye.